Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Begin by locating the central axis across your freeform piece for symmetry. Draw a light horizontal guide at the mid-face height to align eye centers. Measure one eye width and mark spacing so the eyes sit one eye width apart. Sketch light vertical reference lines for inner and outer corners to preserve angle. Decide eye length first and set the iris size to be 1/3 of the eye length for balanced, realistic proportions. Lightly draw an almond-shaped outline for each eye to define the overall shape. Position the outer corner slightly higher for a natural, expressive tilt to the eyes. Block the iris as a circle that touches the upper lid and occupies about 1/3 of the eye length. Add the pupil centered in the iris and keep it proportional to the planned eye size. Sketch the eyelid fold as a soft curve sitting 1/4 to 1/3 of the lid height. Darken the pupil solidly and leave a small highlight to imply a reflective surface. Shade the upper iris slightly darker to suggest shadow from the eyelid and create depth. Use short, tapered strokes for eyelashes and increase their length toward the outer corner by about 25% for natural flow. Add a soft shadow beneath the upper lid to sell a three-dimensional form. Refine lines, soften edges with a blending tool, and adjust contrast to finalize the eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.